right, so I love talking about Vans sneakers. It's one of my favorite sneaker brands, and I've been wearing them pretty much my whole life. Like, I started off wearing Vans. It's crazy. So any chance I get to talk about Vans only, I take that opportunity. So in this video, I've got two new Vans pickups. Both are the same model, and I just wanted to share them with you guys because I think both of these are perfect for the fall. This specific model looks great with jeans, and obviously in the fall, you're not really wearing shorts. So these are very fitting for this time of year and the type of videos that I'm cranking out. If you missed my fall lookbook, make sure you go check that one out because that's definitely my best video that I dropped this year so far, in my opinion. So let's get into these joints real quick. They are nothing limited. Well, they're kind of limited. They're not everywhere, but you can find them pretty easily. I'll make sure I link them for you guys down in the description. I got both these at the same place. You can't tell me that this specific shoe does not look amazing. I'm not here for it. I can't hear it. If you tell me that in the comment section, I'm just not hearing it. If you love Bred 1s and you love that colorway, but you just don't feel like wearing Jordans sometimes, these, my friend, these are going to be your savior. We got some Vans Sk8 Highs, and they're all over the place because this is how Vans show up. Black, red, white, Anaheim edition. There's a little bit of a difference. I'll talk about that in a second, but Anaheim edition, that's where it's at. So the official name of this shoe is the Vans Sk8 Hi 38 DX Anaheim Factory OG Black. Yes, sir. This thing deserves a name like that. I don't have any of the Anaheim Factory Sk8 Highs. I've got, I think, one pair of the old schools. So with these Anaheim Factory sneakers, they're trying to stay a little bit truer to the original design when they were creating these in a factory in Anaheim. So for one, the materials are a little bit better. They're a little bit more comfortable as well. They've got the Ultra Cush included. The materials are nicer. They also have a higher foxing tape. That's that black stripe that's going around the top of the midsole area. Makes it stand out, makes the sole look a little bit bigger. The red canvas on here is a little bit heavier as well, so that is a nicer quality. The midsole has kind of a gloss to it, so it stands out a little bit more than your typical Vans sole. So again, just real subtle details that make this sneaker a lot better. But like I said, if you're digging that bread if you're digging that bread colorway and you just want something different than a pair of Nikes or Jordans, these joints right here, my friend, they've got your back. So this next pair I actually saw when I visited New York City a few weeks ago, and it just stuck with me. When you visit somewhere and you go shopping and you go to these different stores, sometimes on your way home or afterwards, you're like, damn, I should have got that shoe, or I should have got that hoodie, I should have got that jacket, whatever it is. This shoe stuck with me, and I'm like, yep, I gotta get that at some point. So that is exactly what I did. These are glorious. I'm digging these so hard. This has such a strong fall vibe, in my opinion. Again, we've got a pair of Vans Sk8 Highs, the Anaheim edition, but the colorway is different, obviously. We've got this golden yellow and this dark navy. Like, go ahead, lie to me. Tell me that these aren't great. And the best part is these don't get hype. These aren't hyped up. These aren't on every single blog. They're readily available for the most part. The people that really dig this shoe or have an eye for Vans, they're the ones that are buying these, and these will sell out eventually. They're not gonna sit around and get marked down to like some absurd price. These will sell, and I had no problem paying full retail for both of these sneakers, and I'll probably wear them more than other sneakers I've paid like triple the amount for that are just kind of sitting in my closet. Vans are just so wearable. They're like the ultimate fall sneaker. Ooh, rookie YouTuber mistake. Here's a quick look at both sneakers laced up. They show up in the box, obviously, like this, totally unlaced, which I'm cool with because I want to lace them differently than the factory does. This is how I lace my Sk8 Highs. For the most part, I didn't put them on feet, so they may look a little bit different. I just laced them up real quick, over and under. You guys know the deal. But this is called OG Navy, and these are called OG Black. So I'm not sure if these were original colorways or what, but it sounds like it. This combination, though, of this golden yellow and this dark navy, Bruh, I'm so excited to wear these. If no one told you about these yet, I'm doing that right now. So if you want a pair, I'll link them down in the description. Sizing wise, on my Sk8 Highs, I go down a half a size. On my old schools, I go true to size. So that's my recommendation. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys want to see more Vans videos. I'm not sure if you guys are as hyped about Vans like this that you can easily get as like Jordans, Yeezys, all that stuff. Make sure you hit the thumbs up on this video and subscribe. If you're new, make sure you follow me on Snapchat. Yes, sir, still use Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, all Eddie Wing Kicks. I will catch you guys next time. Go look at my fall lookbook if you have not seen that yet. A lot of fall content on the way. Top 5 fall jackets, top 10 fall sneakers, a menswear lookbook, a lot of stuff. So keep rocking with me. I appreciate the support as always. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.